Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is a Mother's Day tribute to some special moms. And if you're a mom, I hope you have a great weekend. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. Hello, my name is Cindy Bennett and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be dedicated to some very special moms, and if you're watching this video and you are a mom, I just want to wish you a very happy Mother's Day weekend, and I hope that you get to see your kids at some point, and maybe even your grandkids. I have 13 children and I actually have 4 grandkids at this time, and so it is May 2020, so in the middle of a pandemic. I hope you like my glasses. My glasses are kind of being used today as a prop, as well as I have a little bit of an eye problem, and I thought I'll just wear my glasses today. And so I just wanted to give a shout out to some special moms that I know and have known in my life. And right now I want to say thank you to my VIP Kid Teacher friends. I have a lot of friends that I have met, new friends, in the recent 2 years that I've been with the company. And it's been great. I mean, I joined VIP Kid just to meet up with, no, I did not join VIP Kid to meet up with people. I joined VIP Kid to make some extra money, like as a summer job. And I kept seeing advertisements for VIP Kid, and I said, I guess I could do that. I have a 4-year degree. I have experience with kids. I have a computer, and I think that's about it. And so they said, just try it, you know, and it didn't cost me any money to get into the company, and I learned a lot of new things about ESL and everything else. So if you're watching this video and you have those qualifications and you would like to check into more information, please feel free to contact me, and you can just send me an email and I can let you know some more information. But this is about moms, and through VIP Kid, I have met some really amazing moms, and a lot of those friends that I've met through VIP Kid will be the ones watching this video. So a shout out to all of you amazing teachers and moms and grandmoms and friends that I have made, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Even though it's a difficult year this year, I hope you guys find a way to include your family and to have a really special Mother's Day weekend. With that said, I want to share with you a blessing that I've had over the years. For the last over 20 years, you heard that, 20 years, I have had the privilege to know some people online. Way back when I was expecting my 8th child, we were moving, and this is when the computers were kind of getting more popular, and I think I had AOL.com. Remember that? You've got mail. AOL.com or whatever it was. And so I remember I was a young mom and I had a lot of kids, and you know, in the evenings all the kids would go to bed and I would just kind of go on the computer and just see what I could find, right? And I was not really, like, I didn't get into computers right away, but once I found this group, it was a real big support for me through the years. This group was a group for mothers with lots of children. They homeschooled, and they also wanted to teach their kids Christian values. And so we kind of like surfed into this group, and it was just amazing. Now the intention at the beginning was that we would go ahead and like accept new people in and everything. But we did have some pretty interesting experiences that we realized we might have to be a little more careful about who we let in, because we actually shared our lives with each other. So it's been over 20 years, and now the same group of ladies that we were on, some kind of a group that you're on, like some group on the internet somewhere, and then we kind of gravitated toward Facebook. So now we have a Facebook group, and some of the people have still remained as friends. And I just got a box of soaps from a friend of mine, and I wanted to give her a shout out. And I just wanted to say that, you know, when you're a mom and you have young kids, you do need to find a group that you can encourage each other, that you can share with each other. Now, what we did was we would actually share recipes. My intention in finding the group was I need to know, how do I feed a big family? What are some tips and tricks that I can learn from other successful mothers? And that's kind of how I looked at it. And we did share a lot of different things. And through the years, we've shared experiences, and our lives had taken twists and turns. But it's been amazing to be able to be friends with these people through the years. Now, the group that the lady who I got the soaps from has been on that group ever since. Now, some of these people I have met in person. Some of them I have not. So, and I would really love to, because I feel like we all know each other so well. Her soaps, she has a Facebook group. It's called Texadus Family Farm. And my friend's name is Lynn, and her family raises goats on a farm. And they also make their own soaps. They make all kinds of things. They sell at a farmer's market, as well as they do mail orders. So they have goats and everything, and I'll link her below. I get like no commission or anything. I actually asked her if she wouldn't mind that I would share her information, and I just want to do an unboxing of the soaps that she made, because I'm actually going to keep some of the soap for myself, but I also want to give my mom some for Mother's Day. So this is the box she sent me, and she has free shipping, I think, if it's over a certain price, like $25 or $30. It's and then she had like buy 5 get 1 free, something like that. So I think she sent me more than I paid for here. So she sent me a lavender orange. Wow, that looks, and it's, oh my goodness, it smells so good. And you know, because I'm teaching VIP Kid, I had a little extra money, and I said, you know what, I'm buying some of her soap. This is the first time in all these years that I've ever bought soap from her. This is handcrafted. The other thing is, she is in the United States. She's making this on her own, and I want to support local Americans. Oh my word, this smells so good. This is handcrafted goat milk soap from Texadus Family Farm, made in Forest, Texas. We milk the goats. They milk their own goats, and they do it themselves. And I told her I wanted some with lavender. Oh my word, I can't wait to use it. Handcrafted goat's milk soap, gift of the Magi. Wow, that looks beautiful. And I know that my mom loves homemade soap too. I have made soap before, but I don't have, like, I've made just kind of like with one. I would just make the soap and put like 1 essential oil in it, because I don't have all the essential oils. This is Sunrise Serendipity. Wow. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think she gave me more than I paid for. Lavender Lullaby. Wow, that looks good. It looks beautiful. Smells beautiful too. Packaged really well. Love Me Tenderly. I'm planning on, I want to buy some more already. Oh my word. Aloe and cucumber. Wow, that looks amazing. And like I said, I have made soap before, but it is a project. And I know that, you know, it's a great thing. People love homemade soap. Plus I got a free I don't know, I think this is lip balm or something. So thank you very much, Lynn. I told her I was going to make this video, and I told her I was going to give her a shout out. So thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to order some, or just maybe check out her stuff, look on Facebook, and I will put her Facebook link below. And I also want to give a shout out to moms. And I just wanted to, in my last live, I did mention Elizabeth Elliot, who has also been someone that I have read all of her books, and she has been a mom that I have appreciated. She has a lot of, she has since gone on to be with the Lord, but she has a lot of good advice, and it's still available online. So you can check for Elizabeth Elliot. Her husband was Jim Elliot. They were missionaries to Ecuador. They were missionaries to the Auca Indians. And during this time, her husband was killed by the Auca Indians. And so she knows hardship. She had to carry on even though her husband was killed. And she actually continued and ministered to the very people who killed her husband. And she, you know, she showed them the Lord. She showed them the love of God. And it's quite an amazing story. So one of the things that Elizabeth says, and I want to just give this quote to all the moms out there that watch this video. This hard place in which you perhaps find yourself is the very place in which God is giving you opportunity to look only to Him, to spend time in prayer, to learn long-suffering, gentleness, meekness, in short, to learn the depths of the love that Christ Himself has poured out on all of us. So she has always been a kind of a motherly person to me, to just show me that she always points me back to Christ, back to the Lord, knowing that God is in control. He knows what's going on. He knows what I need to do. He knows the next step that I need to take, and I can trust in Him. And another thing I wanted to share is this poem, and it's something that Elizabeth is known for. And her quote has always been, do the next thing. Her husband was killed by the Auca Indians. She ministered to the Auca Indians, I think it was for like 10 years or so. And then she came back to the United States so that her daughter could go to school. And then after that, she did marry again. And then that husband, he ended up with cancer, and she ministered to him until he passed away. And then she was married a third time. And so she knows hardship, she knows trouble, and now she's with the Lord, so she knows everything perfectly. But one of the poems that she popularized goes like this. At an old English parsonage down by the sea, there came in the twilight a message to me, its quaint Saxon legend deeply engraven, that as it seems to me, teaching from heaven, and all through the hours the quiet words ring like a low inspiration, do the next thing. Many a questioning, many a fear, many a doubt hath its quieting here. Moment by moment let down from heaven, time, opportunity, guidance are given. Fear not tomorrow, child of the King. Trust that with Jesus, do the next thing. Do it immediately, do it with prayer, do it reliantly, casting all care. Do it with reverence, tracing His hand, who placed it before thee with earnest command. Stayed on omnipotence, safe neath His wing, leave all resultings, do the next thing. Looking to Jesus ever serener, working or suffering be thy demeanor. In His dear presence the rest of His calm, the light of His countenance be thy psalm. Do the next thing. So if you ever read anything by Elizabeth Elliot, you will know that she will say that to moms. Do the next thing. You don't know, what tomorrow's going to bring. You don't know how this is going to affect you and your family. But you just do the next thing and trusting God that He will lead you to what the next thing is. And one thing after the other, and you'll get through whatever it is that you have to get through. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of my friends that were on my computer group through the years, and I will put this video out on the group there. Just a lot of good moms, a lot of really hardworking moms that through the years have been an encouragement to me. And, we had to do that. We had to do the next thing. A lot of the friends that I have on that group have large families. Some of them wanted large families, but God did not give them large families. But they had to, just take what the Lord gave them and do the next thing, just like everybody. So yeah, so I hope you all have a wonderful Mother's Day. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you can find a little bit of encouragement for this Mother's Day weekend. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.